1.
Yeah, Ghana go hamu you.
2, 3, 4, 5. But I mean, 1 and 2. It was away prepaid meters.
Okay.
In the past, I used to buy 2,000 a month.
Mami Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TVGH so what frame me Adjoa searching. Ebusiafo Zion Felix a blogger. Na ende Zion at ni studio osu adenya auto light dodo electricity no prices net that's no high you know. He's just crying wako you receipt auto light you know just idea big internet and so Zion Felix, you are not the only one auto your friend say light and boy day. In fact, young cry and shouldn't use in your mibiano. Just say light a yatono and yasem keto cry into shut up in soup. You see, Ghana Hano, bloggers, journalists, she say ordinary Ghanaian are on Cameroons in him enkasa obia we are all hypocrites.
1.
Yeah, Ghana go hamu you.
2, 3, 4, 5. But I mean, 1 and 2. It was away prepaid meters.
Okay.
In the past, I used to buy 2,000 a month. Not too much. What 2,000 to buy 2-3 months?
Okay. In the
past. 2,000 in the past.
Yeah.
Oh, I think there's like 2 years back or 3 years back. And I made this about 1,000 Ghana cedis. 1,000 chapa. Now, me back Ghana December year K. We have 4 receipts. Now, in the 1 month, what the receipt in me can why can't starting fee assessing.
Okay.
Why can't dates no ne come out. Every time I'm talking to dates. Dates was saying.
Okay. We 17th
December.
2005.
But
2025.
To go. 17th and then 11th. In do 1 month though.
In do 1 month.
So where you receipt from 17th to a net date. I in the 1 month too. It was saying
1,000 Ghana.
at all. Next
Okay.
for dates.
Okay.
Date.
So 26th December.
I'm not sure the date before. How many days in a year? I think say from 17 to 27.
9 days.
9 days.
9 days.
Not 1,000 that's okay. 1,000 cities na me talk 17th no.
Yeah.
And some got that 1,000 cities. That's not, after 9 days. 1,000 cities asa. Fatwa 1,000.
Okay. 2,000 no.
Where 2,000? 26. No we did buy.
2nd January.
How many days after we know?
We are 7 days.
7 days, but 1,000 cities asa. 7 days. 1,000 cities prepaid nasa. Okay. Fatwa next.
1,000. It was here. We are 8th January.
How many days no?
5 days.
5 days. 1,000 cities nasa. Abuja 5 days prepaid with them go to prepaid them go to no. In fact, my father was shocked. Papa say, "O say yama off prepaid sound. Area for your light. You go in light. I was prepaid as Abuja me to prepaid 2nd January 2026. 5 days time. 1,000 inside.
Asa.
And then 11th January. In less than a month, must spend 4,000 if you're ready. If you're a cost of how? Hey! How? I'm not getting a point for faction. I was here 4,000 Ghana cedis. Busumi soon you Abuja from 17th and 11th. Saka says this. I'm Busumi Nason. It's a Medisaba Baku, and the 16th and 6th. Wait, November, Fanton. Abuja, we're in for now.
Okay.
Abuja, in less than a month, I've spent 4,000 Ghana cedis just on prepaid. Hey, just on prepaid 4,000. I didn't first time use 2,000 Ghana cedis no. From December 17th till 11th January 2026. December 17th, that is last year. Mindi one man too. Mato 4,000 worth of prepaid. Some I'm sure mato 5,000. Abuja. Oh, yes. It's wow. It's almost me can't say it's ne boy ma hapa. 2.5. It's ne 2.5. I boy, it's a bow. 2.5 so asem ninti. I should jam by force.
But Odev, I want to ask this. Me, Shada, I don't know much about this. How easy for more. Yes, but my main busau. Osha, because enyoma will use what demo hono.
And I'm use.
What do you think, say, air course this kind of?
Okay, me nim. I don't betray him.
Zion Felix, we be a penny aseme. Oba blog him. I quite remember from 2016 ever, and I Ghana blogging ye depa. From 2016 ever, Zion Felix now what is super. Kofi TV now what is super. And I friend is say GH page. Sa entertainment bloggers way, blogging site way, and I know what is super. Oba the politics in so. Nipa now you're close to me pa. Ghana is it? Oh, Ghana Tube. Yeah, Ghana Tube na in same P. Oba the politics a Ghana has channels when na it's so pa. It is Zion Felix oba blogging adwuma mu enyande. You should have told Ghanaians 2024 abra na ye campaign no. O de senya okra. Obetimi do site no, I blog positive things about NPP. Na Ghana for any abom so. You couldn't do that because of your selfish interest in tea. Bloggers in ekodi NDC fuechi. Meanwhile, Munim said 2016. Bloggers ejuma bebre collapse because of light and near day ejuma. In fact, 2016 na mo kumase na ma start blogging. From past 6 o'clock. E kopme yumri 6 o'clock. No more so light no 30 minutes. This obe blog ya. Esa wo ye nentem and very lucky no YouTube your page bia anytime bia wo upload videos e continue. The little light I'll be esa wo ye internal wo dey adwuma. Bloggers mo face problem just a problem way e wo Ghana hanom 2016 from 2015 ever 2016 no light ho asem bloggers intimi nya adwuma o. Me started blogging na fina light ni ginem. Na me build me page na me nya light. Bloggers na mo wo kro me ha no. Edu abato 7th December aye kwoto aba. American or Harris or mother kwoto abetu Mahama because nana membu ni useless. NPP by Ghana for my country mo. Youth na fe na mo awie SS na mo aba na. Muni mo left from on right no. My cancer be entremo. His Excellency and who said one I don't know if she's a blogger or a journalist or whatever. She was just sitting on TV talking blah 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 rubbish non-fan kwa. A certain lady be I don't blame her because she's talking for NPP, NDC for and NDC for no. Omo do share them a training propaganda. That is their job. Into no be where big friend is say new communicator be abana or start a cast of rubbish na so fi NDC. I do not blame the person because also penny sika aje also near phone and na no hu hia so I do not blame her. But you see, Nana Dubai president 2016 or by sorry I talk about your 2016 almost in January 7th. I am telling you, say Ghana jubilating the whole of 2017, about 18, about 19, 3 solid years. Na Ghana jubilating over His Excellency, the former president. Now don't go for the performance. Hey, one the catcher was a Nana Dubai, you know. Sure, COVID never yo 2021 and then never started by a basa. And 2021 no and now omo movie SHS na sa adwene no e be fie kakra because from 2016 eba no most of youth in a normal cassette na na do no na adwene nhye de nya adwuma nti na do not blame them but me say na do pe ene ye to aba man na oba so started oba office 7th January your friend say 2017 2018 2019 2020 and for 4 years, Ghana jubilated a jan and answer. So say COVID bebo ma bibia ye basa. Teachers normal demonstration. Nurses normal demonstration. Ambulance available. Acquire or more ye. Drones or more deliver. Chese. And so COVID aba. Still dollar rate cost so crown no for tardy. Dollar rate was low, but now prices of good no stabilize. And then this year, but dollar rate no alcohol, but prices of goods no echo. You don't have sense. You just come and sit on radio or TV because you have been paid to know ube can kwasasama cheche. Some Mahame yadi because dollar rate now cost and the bottle of water 4 cedis. Nana don't pencil. Nana do fear bena bottle of water 3 cedis if you do not know. Mujan kwasasana mokekano. Zion Felix, ye din not all light because muina mo ye hypocrite. Ye din not all light. Nanado NPP for about solve a light issue in NDC for but money problem bia. Inti sa wo ye adwuma wo nye security to light na shut up. Zion Felix, just shut up. Because momo who ye hinsi viasi mi ni pain na 2016 anka mon blogging site e collapse no. Wa shahan na Ghana for to about the man Mahaman was answer baby na mo to light you are crying. Massa, shut up.
Ube lusunti. Una moa. Ena wenye bi omo kayo. Ena omo. We are delegate now we nyanseni anu ebisa so omo ne ho anom. Delegate for Kennedy ba o ka jam say vote for me as an independent candidate ana. Me bisam. Me sister Kennedy Japan ba obeka kire mo say mun vote man as independent candidate ana da bi. Was mun vote man as NPP ni ana meboa. E no nam no say NPP say akronfo. No nam no say NPP say na say election kra na ye wi amu no amu nya den no be ba beka. So I'm quite siade no. Honorable, this time it won't fly you. Me come mami adaka mi nim baby say. Udie. Emfa. And Timbaomia, don't contact me. Don't contact me. You people, Saudi and Mube Jai. Mutie. Timbaomia tie for Mube Jai. Yakatra Musa mu do the tie ones. Mu de romo tie no. Munis in your Dennis no Monkoye no. And we here for the media no in down there. But say airway we super. Yabama kwasiam pafuo bi asabe ye baby da eba betre de omonye. Wasia udi flag bearer echi also 270 houses so say then so no unya baby na. We be adwuma yet we is pulling agent man no uni adwuma ye. Wasia sem na mugina ho amudi no. Emfa me ka kire mo nne. Now, let's look at this. 2023 we could have won that election easily. Let me tell you something. The NDC who is in power today, the NDC who is in power today, na omenin that's what we win 2024. Make catch them play. I've talked. I mean, like we have friends in there. They never thought so we win. John Mahama was actually shocked when Baumia called him. He was shocked. And untina the ana woma plan says woman we know no. Even though sen woman we no, they still carried it through. Nanka where we near Abayeshi police station. Where we near Abaye Lutu. But they looted the country Ghana. What did Kennedy do? You enter into a race that was already running. You were accepted. As a matter of fact, you became the second favorite after Dr. Baumia. Any reasonable, sensible person, what does that tell you? I have a future. If I lay my cards and I play my cards well, I could be the leader of this party. And may God help me to become president of Japan. Nyansani biasa na nkobejene. Utuwe. Every suggestion I would come out Congress. That's why I said, sir, leadership we na one the woman no be amfani nini. Amonya papa. Say Justin Kodua will say one you woman papa. Meme so woman papa. One pa woman time and ne woman time of China. Justin Kodua has failed. Nana B has failed. Chairman has failed. All of them has failed, including the women organizer. When was the last time you heard MPP women organizers and as MPP women doing something? Senior lawyer ladies na dia mube unhua. When was the last time as a women's wing of the party? Yeah, Cassanians the same way. For Mama adwene na ba from say we have a party to save person. Kwa sie bi ebe di no say obebe si wuni twasiri di ama akwa ye adwuma wo. Enu nti wadwene ni na ayira. Jimie. Ene mbre mu a ye di technology na ene e ye break and mortar. Ponkpo adwuma na wo pese wo ye. Wuni mu nyansa. And we are not going to let it slide. Now, tie ye 2023 me Felix apia samokaya me be breaki wa nti ananado epamu ni free in the office samokaya ena me de ne say so ye bema na me ade we kra me nti Peter enuanom tie MPP fo ni na peme Ghana fo ni na su frɛ me say me meye president na mama me ho kwan na MPP fo ha me na me da so team. Let it make sense. Seriously, let it make sense. MP before ni na peme. Ghana for su second de Japan mayor president. Ena papa na oye okokroko obentigbe kabi. The man himself, the boss man, is afraid to leave the party to become his boss man. Because he ain't shit. Uyi Canada Japan sika he ain't shit because they say nekasa na mayo say nyansa o medekasa. Now na yati ase the entire parliament na on kasa onim nyansa. Ni sika na ama no abenyam. Me catch them on ne and I don't give a fuck. I've told you people already. And this show is not for the weak minds. Meant na hono be me say MPP because ono do so no edi ame wa bodam. Me see afa na yati ase the entire Canada Japan call parliament na won kasa. Enye ni sika na wonye wo bia adentia. One oye bayifo aden oye bayifo there be oye bayment oye bayibronsam adenti no oye bayibronsam oye bayibronsam because Alexander benya 10 million, Felix benya 5 million, Canada Japan benya 25 million. Still Canada Japan say ye did ye jano bayi oko spirit mu a asofo na mo we ni no bayi ni nso ade bayi de ade bayi ni bia na ni nso bayi hu se bayi ya de tantan, especially Ghana for bayi na ya de tantan na nke ye den Felix nya 5, Alex nya 10, unya den unya 25 nko a still we see a didi eja nti ede na yemfa ma wo yam se nanka Canada Japan person na na do de ma baki ena baomi also de Hajia Samira kan ho na nkomu rotate shift na odi omo so no wu so okay say de ono ne the man we di obi a sankwasi assembly like how